and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I will be showing you how to crochet this adorable little star. This is super easy pattern. Everyone can make it as a beginner, and it's a beginner friendly pattern. So without further, let's get started. So supplies for this tutorial, I'm going to be using loops and thread, impeccable yarn, and also I'm going to be using a 4mm hook from Crochet Society, and you are also going to need a different kind of materials like me to make this star. So to start the star, we are going to make a magic ring. We have to do like this, and we are gonna pull this yarn and make a chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Here you can see I already make 1 double crochet, and now I'm going to make 14 double crochets, total of 15 double crochets. Now let's get into the circle and make double crochets. This is 15, 14, 13, 12, 15 double crochets is like this, and you have to tie it. And after that, we are going to make a slip knot in the first stitches. Make a slip knot in the first stitches, and I'm going to make 5 chains. 3rd stitches, make a half double crochets. Let's make it. Pull over the yarn and pull over all 3 loops. Next we are going to make triple crochets. To make a triple crochets, pull over twice, pull over 2 loops, and again pull over 2 loops. Now after making triple crochets, we are going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and into these stitches we are going to make slip knot, and again we are going to make chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Make single crochet into the second chain, same process. Into the second stitches we are going to make double crochets. Into the third we are going to make half double crochets. Into the last chain we are going to make triple. To make a triple chain we have to do like this: 1, 2, and then pull through yarn, pull through yarn over and pull through 2, and again pull through 2. Now again skip the chain 1, 2, 3. Into the stitches we are going to make slip knot. This again 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we are going to do same process until the end of the row. We are going to make 5 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 triangles, and then the star will be ready. I just finished making 5 triangles, and at the end of the row we are going to slip knot into this 1, 2, 3 and this one here. Make a slip knot and cut the end. Here my stars is ready, and I have to hide this small yarn from here. When we cut the stain, it looks perfect. Star. Here we go. My star is ready, and this color is so pretty. My favorite color, pink color. So you just need to make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 triangle, and then your star will be ready. So this much for today. Here is just your completed star, and that is how you can crochet a basic star. And I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you guys. Let us know in the comments down below. If there is any tutorials you are looking to see, you can come to my YouTube channel and subscribe my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.